morning from the Disneyland Hotel. All right, it's 7 a.m. and Disneyland's having early entry today. And I managed to get up early somehow, maybe because we didn't close the park last night. And so I'm heading in to see if I can do a few things. The rest of my party's sleeping, scattered. So hopefully they'll meet up with us, but on my way. We had an amazing day yesterday. First day, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge was amazing. The land is just incredible, immersive. Just everywhere you look, there's something story to tell. It's just out of this world. It's completely impressed with everything they did. Just want to keep going back. There's so many layers to it. You just want to keep going and seeing more and more. So we're looking forward to 8 p.m. to midnight tonight, so we get to experience full-on nighttime experience of Galaxy's Edge. So can't wait. Walked on Hyperspace Mountain, just walked right on. And it's 8 o'clock and a mad dash. Space Mountain. Get here early.
Catcher at 10 fathoms. Steer 30 degrees. All ahead 4. Steady as she goes. G'day, this is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost sea.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries, you'll take it down faster indeed. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80.
Just say hi.
Hi.
I'm telling you.
What are you about to do?
I'm about to ride in the, what is it officially known as? I'm gonna ride in the Wheelhouse, and so are you.
Of the
Family track.
Hey, wait, hold
Mark Twain. Subscribe for this type of experience. Awesome, thank you.
All right, first time. First time. This is first time. In case you want to take a nap. Let me get out of your way. There we go. Wow. It's quite the wheel. Guess who's Peter Pan happy right now?
Now, who would like to be in charge of steering?
That guy. That guy.
For real? Stop.
Just take it easy, okay? Take it easy.
You can't. I'm sorry.
So, yeah. So basically I'm steering like I'm Mr. Toad right now.
Yes.
Okay. Well, that's okay. I actually believe that I am steering on Mr. Toad, so this is good enough.
I like to pretend a lot that it's actually steering, so at the end I'll let go and freak out.
Do you ever just...
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
It's kind of the Jungle Cruise too, right? The Jungle Cruise is kind of the same idea. They like to look.
Don't ruin the illusion.
Oh right, okay. We could talk about Mr. Toad, but not Jungle Cruise. Got it.
I have to make some evasive maneuvers here to avoid the stroller parking.
make sure don't hit any canoes.
I'll watch out. There's some barrels down here that I need to avoid. Some horrible ducks. This is legitimately good news.
You thought you were coming out for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
This is what it's for.
Someone says, what's the coolest thing you did at this trip? And this might be a more
This just shows
higher
you.
thing.
You just need to
Nicely.
and look really desperate.
That's the key point.
That's it.
You did look very sad. I was like, I don't think I could talk to him for a while after this.
Yeah, I need to console her.
This is a big deal.
And look, I keep pretending to do the wheel, which is amazing. And I will do this the entire trip.
Do it. You gonna take us right
Although,
to Galaxy's Edge?
look at how bad I'd be doing it. But it won't be like that. But quick! I'm let go!
You're just gonna take us right into Star Wars Galaxy's Edge? Is the attraction attached shorter now that they've kind of rerouted the?
Yeah, apparently it used to look like a mermaid tail, is what I heard.
Okay.
And then now it's just like a weird looking old.
Making a sharp right here.
This is a new section of the river, so don't mess it up.
for as far as we get. Please keep all hands, arms, feet, legs, and children inside the boat. Wallets, keys, leave them on the seat. We'll take care of those later. Welcome to the tropical rainforest, everybody. Yes, welcome to the tropical rainforest. We have some Goliaths. Not really sure what those are over there. They look new. Oh, wow, everyone. Would you look at the Goliaths watching after that sleeping zebra? Wow, yeah, it looks dead. Tired. Dead tired, yeah. Oh, everyone, if you look over here, you'll see a whole bunch of rocks. Yeah. See, this is why you never argue with the rhino, everyone. They always get their point across. In the end. Okay, I got it. It's under control. Okay. All right, everybody, I'm going to scan them off. Cover your ears. Cover your ears. I'm going to scan them off. See that? Scared them stiff. The blank expression on their faces, I'm telling you. All right, is everyone having a good time? The one, the only, the backside of water! O2H!
Take a look and see if it's red or green. I think it's red, right? He's right there. There's another one right there. So this is, it's 2. So I think it's 2 hours. I think it's 45 minutes to an hour up and 45 minutes to an hour down.
Yeah.
So this is the Cantina line. I'm glad. Well, yeah. Well, maybe
We did it twice.
maybe at like 11:15 we can get in there or something.
Flip down. The critical floor. Last time we were in line, I think you were messing with the these two cast members.
All right, Robbie, what are you eating?
This is the. Let's see if it does it on here. The shock roast.
Tell me about the shock.
Shock. I don't know. Well, they didn't have any metal sporks,
Oh my god.
and I must have missed a shock joke.
There is a shock joke.
Let me see.
Don't be shocked by the fact that there's no shock.
It's good. Very tender. I don't need the sport, even though that's probably what it's used for this piece of meat. And it's got pasta, mushrooms, and kale.
What'd you get yesterday? Chicken?
Where's your sport? They didn't have them. They ran out.
They're out of
So many
spork.
people stole them.
Everybody stole them.
Seriously, everyone walked off with a
exactly.
sport.
But
You thought $2.99 was good for that little sport.
Everyone stealing sports kind of fits this.
Oh, so
where
when
we
I
are.
ordered this, the local in the cantina or in the
Ray just walked by. Hey Ray, just walked by. Yep, he's right there.
oh wow, and she was just walking around. What she said, she like refused to serve me at first.
Why'd you
She because I don't know. That's just the way she rolls, I guess, in Batuu.
Oh.
She was like, no. She was,
Was she role playing? Or
yeah,
did
she was
really-
like in character.
Oh, that's great.
And then I was like, oh, I have my smuggler's discount credentials. And she was like, oh, she took it, she scanned it. And she's like, this is mine now or something. Like, she wasn't going to give it back. She was like, a little feisty. But
Totally into character.
yeah, it was great.
That's did you witness this? That's impressive.
I was there.
So what's better, the chicken or this?
Probably this. The chicken was like breaded, you know, it was a good piece of chicken, but this has got some more flavor. It's got pasta. I think the chicken had like a vegetable or potato like mash on the bottom. Yeah, just like basic chicken and vegetable dish. But I think I'll get this again. It is a little on the pricier side, $18.99.
Were you shocked by that price?
Not really. Considering you can buy basically a pita wrap for $14 right there. So.
I'm not even looking at the
Is that 14?
Yeah, it's dangerous.
Okay.
I don't know the conversion between dollars and credits.
Enjoy, Robbie. Enjoy it.
go.